Good morning friends, welcome to our channel. For more videos, subscribe channel now. Today we are going to discuss Maharashtra sheet paper 2, that means mathematical science, linear algebra, all previous year question paper from 2011 to 2020. That means 2020 linear algebra. First question is given: if T from Rn to Rm is a linear map, then it is represented by matrix of order. Here domain is given n and codomain is given m. That is converted into reverse order. That means m into n. N cross m is converted into m cross n. That means option A is correct, m cross n. Next question: let V be a finite dimensional vector space over R. Over R and T belongs to L of V. If lambda is an eigenvalue of T, then which of the following statement is a false? Here given a false. First of all, here given a lambda is an eigenvalue. If lambda is an eigenvalue, then characteristic polynomial equal to 0 and rank of T minus lambda is less than dimension of, here domain is given, dimension of domain, and determinant also equal to 0 because here is given lambda is an eigenvalue of T. Determinant equal to 0 by rank nullity theorem. Rank of A plus nullity of A is equal to dimension of phi. Here lambda is an eigenvalue, so this is a rank is not equal to dimension of phi, and nullity, that means nullity of A is a non-zero because here lambda is an eigenvalue, so option B is the correct here. Kernel of T minus lambda is non-zero, and option C is given, rank of T minus lambda is less than dimension of A, determinant of T minus lambda equal to 0. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct, but option B is not correct here. Next question: T1, T2 and T3 are three maps defined on R cube. Here T1 is given, T2 is given, T3 is given. Which of these maps are linear? What is how to check linear? T of Ax plus By equal to A T of x plus B T of y. Then it is a linear. First of all, find for T1, T2 and T3. Here in T1, here x plus 1 is given. This is not satisfied this condition. So T1 is not a linear map, and T2 is also not satisfied because here product is given. This condition is not satisfied here. So this is also T2 is not correct. Only T3 is correct here. You can check which of these maps are linear. Here option C is correct. Next question: let T be a linear operator on R4 having the minimal polynomial x plus 1 cube. Then which of the following statement is true? Here R4 is given. What is the dimension of? Here 4 cross 4 matrix is given. 4 cross 4. And here x minus 1 cube. This is a minimal polynomial. That means minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. This is a minimal polynomial. And last one is a 0 is a characteristic. This is also eigenvalue. That means 4 eigenvalue here, minus 1 and 0. Then which of the following statement is true? Here given which of the following statement is true? In option A is given T is diagonalizable over R. First of all, check AM is equal to GM. This is satisfied or not? This is not satisfied here. AM of minus 1 is equal to 3 and GM of minus 1 is not equal to 3. So this is not diagonalizable. And T is nilpotent. In option B is given T is nilpotent. This is also not true because here eigenvalue are given minus 1 and 0. And in option C, T is triangulable over R. This is correct. And characteristic polynomial of T is x plus 1 cube. This is also not correct because here 4 is eigenvalue. Here x into x plus 1 cube. This is a characteristic polynomial. So option D is also discarded. Let V be a finite dimensional vector space over K and W be a subspace of V. Then which of the following statement is the true? Here given a W is a subspace of V. That is how to find the dimension of V. That means dimension of V is equal to dimension of W plus dimension of V upon W. Option C is the correct. Next question. Let T be a linear operator on R cube given by T of x, y, z is equal to, here matrix is given 3 cross 3 matrix is given. Then the matrix representation of T with respect to standard basis of R cube. Here first of all you can find by standard basis 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Put value at x, y, z is equal to, finally we get 2 2 1. Option A is the correct here. Finally we get option A. That means 2 2 1. These matrix is given, that is converted into 2 3 1. This is converted into 2 2 1 0 2 1 2 3 1. So option A is the correct. Next question. Let A and B be real n cross n matrix. Which of the following statement is the false? Real matrix. If A inverse and B inverse are congruent, then so are A and B. This is correct. This is a direct statement, direct result. This is correct. If A transpose and B transpose are congruent, then so are A and B are also congruent. If both A and B are congruent to the identity matrix, then they are congruent. This is also correct. Here option C is not true. If both A and B have same rank, then they are congruent. You can use the discarding method also. Here question is not corrected. Let V denote the vector space of n cross n symmetric complex matrix. Symmetric complex matrix. What is a symmetric matrix? R over R. If R over R is given, then the formula for symmetric matrix n into n into n plus 1 upon 2. Here given a complex matrix over R, that means C over R, and multiply 2 into R over R, n into n plus 1 upon 2. Finally you get n square plus n. Option C is the correct here. Next question. Let T from Rn to Rn be defined as T of P1 is equal to 0, T of Pj is equal to Ej minus 1. Here E1 to En is the standard basis of Rn. Then T is a nilpotent, because we get a matrix such a, this is a upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. This is always nilpotent matrix. Next question. Let W be a subspace of R4 spanned by vector. Here vector given 1 2 0 0 0 1 2 0, that is written here, and 1 1 minus 2 0. Find its determinant for a 3 cross 3 matrix. If there exists a determinant equal to 0, here we get 2 cross 2 matrix is a non-zero, because here rank is a 2. In these matrix rank is a 2, and what is the formula? R4 is given 4 minus number of linearly independent vectors, that means 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Option B is correct here. Next question. Which of the functions define an inner product on C2? Let x is equal to x1 x2 transpose, y is equal to y1 y2 transpose. Here only second condition is satisfied. Option C is correct here. Let T from R cube to R2 is given by T of x, y, z is equal to x plus z, y minus z. Then the matrix representation of T with respect to standard basis of R cube and R2. Here given a domain 3 and codomain is a 2, that is converted into 2 cross 3. Finally you get 2 cross 3 matrix. In option check 2 cross 3. Here A and D are discarded. A and D are discarded. Now check B for B and C. Put standard value, standard basis 100010001. Finally you get 10101 minus 1. That means option B is correct here. Next question, if a real matrix A has a characteristic polynomial x minus 1 into x square plus 1, then which of the following statement is about A is true? Here given a real matrix and A has a characteristic polynomial. Polynomial is given x minus 1, x square plus 1. What is its eigenvalue? X is equal to 1 and plus or minus I. And here 3 distinct eigenvalue. This is a diagonalizable over complex number. But in option A is given diagonalizable over R. This is incorrect. A is a triangularizable over R. This is also incorrect. A is an nilpotent. This is all eigenvalue are non-zero. This is also incorrect. And A is invertible. Here all eigenvalue are non-zero. Here product is invertible. Option D is correct. Let V(W) be two complex vector space and T belongs to L of V(W). If T has a matrix representation, here given a 2 cross 3, each of the following matrices represent the adjoint of T star. Here 2 is given 2 cross 3, that is converted into 3 cross 2. Discarded A and D here. A also discarded, D also discarded. Here B and C are. Now check which one is correct. Here 2 is given, that is a 2, and 1 plus I, that is converted into 1 minus I, because adjoint of T star is given here. Only sign changes for imaginary value. And 3 is given 3 and 4 plus I is given 4 minus I, 1 minus I, 1 plus I minus I. Here option C is correct here. Next question, let f from R cube to R2 be defined by the equation f of x y z is equal to xy y plus z. First of all understand question. F of x y z, here given 3 cross 2. We get 3 cross 2 matrix is converted into 2 cross 3. We get 2 cross 3 matrix. Now discard other option. Here B is discarded. Only B is discarded. And equation f of x y z is equal to xy y plus z. And g from R2 to R2 be defined as g of xy is equal to x plus y. Then the derivative composition, g composition f at point 0, 0, 0 is equal to which one is correct. Here given f of x y z is equal to xy and x plus y plus z, that is written here. And how to find product? Let us suppose x plus y, this is here x, put this value here xy. First of all suppose xy is equal to x, this is x and this is y, and put this value in here. X is equal to xy and y is equal to y plus z, and finally you get this is value at point 0, 0, 0. Differentiate, finally you get y x plus 1 1 0 1 1, and put value 0, 0, 0. Finally you get 0 1 1 0 1 1. Option C is correct here. Next question, for any sequence alpha n of real number, define T of alpha n from L2 to L2 by T of alpha n ek is equal to ek. The number of unitary operators of the form T of alpha n on L2 is uncountably many. This is a try yourself. Next question, let V is equal to given and W is equal to given. If C01 is assigned the inner product Fg, then which one is correct here. Here option D is correct. C01 is not the sum of V and W. Next question. Let T for T be the vector space of polynomial with degree less than or equal to 4. Find the matrix of linear operator L of f of t is equal to f of t minus f of 0 upon t with respect to standard basis is given 1t t square t cube t raised to 4. Here option B is correct. Suppose that the column of an n cross n matrix M over R are orthonormal, then which of the following is not a true? Here question asked which of the following is not a true. Here A, B, C are if and only if cases. This is the direct statement. For every x belongs to Rn, norm of f max is equal to norm of x. This is the direct statement. Here option D is incorrect here. The function f1 is given, f2 is given, f3 is given, and 4 option is given. First of all, here x, y, z is given. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 1. And that is written in determinant form 1 1 1. This is also 1 1 1 and 1 square. This is also 1 1 1. First of all, find its determinant. If determinant is equal to 0, then this is a linearly dependent. If non-zero, then it is a linearly independent. Here a determinant equal to 0 we get. So are functionally dependent on R cube. Option D is correct here. Next question. If A is equal to 1 upon root 3 is given, this matrix is given, and W is equal to e raised to 2 pi upon 3, then find A square and multiply these matrix A into A and take 1 upon 3 and multiply row column. Finally you get option C is correct here. Let V be denotes the vector space of n cross n real skew symmetric matrix. Then dimension of P. What is the here given a skew symmetric matrix? If R over R is given, this is the direct formula. Skew symmetric matrix n into n minus 1 upon 2. If C over R is given and multiply 2, finally you get n square minus n. Option D is correct here. Next question. If A is equal to 1 2 3 0 3 minus 2 0 minus 6 2, then the rank of matrix A into A transpose is a 2. First of all, check its determinant. Here determinant is equal to 0. So this is the rank of A is not equal to 3. Now check for a determinant of 2 cross 2. You can check any option for a 2 cross 2. Here we get non-zero. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 2. So finally we get rank of A into A transpose is a 2. This is the result. Rank of A is equal to rank of A transpose is equal to rank of A into A transpose is equal to rank of A transpose into A is equal, all are same here. Next question. The matrix A is given is similar to, which one is correct? If what is similar? Except eigenvector, all are same here. This is the except. Rank, trace, nullity, determinant, Jordan canonical form, eigenvalue, all are same. Then it is similar to one another. Here first of all check here trace. Here trace is equal to 4, and in option A is given. Here also 4. In option C and D, here trace is given 5. This is discarded. This is also given 5. This is also discarded. Now check eigenvalue. Here also eigenvalue is given 1 1 2. Here also 1 1 2. Find its Jordan canonical form. Finally get option B is correct here. Next question, let V denote vector space of n cross n real matrix having a trace 0. N cross n real matrices having a 0 trace. What is the n cross n dimension? That is n square. And how to find the dimension of V? That is n square minus number of linearly independent vector. Here only one vector is given 0 trace, n square minus 1. Finally get option B is correct. Next question is given, let T be a linear operator depend on vector space V if there exists V belongs to V such that V TV up to T raised to n minus 1 V are linearly independent vectors and the dimension of V is equal to n is given. Dimension of n is V is equal to n and independent vectors are given here. Finally get such type of a matrix. This is a strictly upper triangular or lower triangular. Such a type of a matrix always an nilpotent matrix. Next question, if characteristic equation of a matrix A is the same as a minimal polynomial which reads as a x minus 1 cube into x minus 4, then Jordan canonical form of A. Here both are same, characteristic polynomial and minimal polynomial. Here written is a characteristic polynomial and minimal polynomial. And first of all find its m. Here m is equal to 3 and for lambda is equal to 1. And now find gm is equal to, for lambda is equal to 1. Here also we get 3 because nullity of a minus lambda I. That means this is a gm. Gm is equal to nullity of a minus lambda I. Here both are am is equal to gm. Both are same. Now check x minus 1 cube, x minus 4. X minus 1 cube. X minus 1 cube. This is a correct here. And x as a x is equal to 4 is an eigenvalue. Here you can use a discarded method. Here x minus 1 square is given and x minus 1 is given and x minus 4 is given in option D. This is incorrect here. Here also given such same as option D. Here also x minus 1 square and x minus 1, x minus 4. And here also x minus 1 square and here x minus 4 and x minus 4. This is discarded here. Here only option C is correct. Here we get x minus 1 cube and x minus 4. This is the correct here, option C. Next question, let T be a linear operator depend on a vector space V. T from V to V. If dimension of kernel of T is greater than 0, then which one is correct? If dimension of kernel of T is greater than 0, then implies determinant is equal to 0. Determinant is equal to 0, then implies linearly dependent. Linearly dependent implies 0 is an eigenvalue. 0 is an eigenvalue. Here option A is the correct here. Here 0 is an eigenvalue, but here given invertible. This is incorrect. T is a nilpotent. This is also incorrect. You can take example. This is also incorrect. If T of x1 x2 is equal to minus x2 x1, then matrix representation of T in the ordered basis 1 1 transpose and 1 minus 1 transpose. Use the tricks here. T of x1 x2 is equal to minus x2 x1, that is written here, and here a basis is given 1 1 and 1 minus 1, and you can check in option. If I take option B is the correct here, put this value here. This is a 0, that that is put here 0, and this is -1, that is -1, 1, 1, 0, 0. If option B is correct here, first of all check -1, 1, that is written right here, and 1, 1, this is right here, and standard basis here given 1, 1 and 1 -1. Put this value here. Finally you get this is satisfied. -1, 1 equal to -1, 1 equal to, this is condition satisfied here. Here also this is condition satisfied. So option B is correct here. Next question. If P is the 3x3 matrix of rank 3 and A is equal to given. Here P is given 3x3 matrix. Rank of P is equal to 3 and A is given. Here first of all find its determinant. Determinant is equal to 0. Then rank of A is not equal to 3. If determinant of 2x2 is non-zero, then rank of A is equal to 2. Here determinant of 2x2 matrix is non-zero. So option here rank of A is equal to 2. And how to find rank of PA? That means minimum of 2 and 3. Here 3 is given. Here 2 is we get, and minimum 2, 3, that means 2. Here option B is correct here. Next question. If A is the 2x2 real matrix with the trace 0 and determinant 1, then the eigenvalue are trace 0. Take such a type of example, trace 0 and determinant is 1. Here trace 0, determinant 1. Here lambda is equal to plus or minus I. This is the first method, or you can choose another method. Here trace is given here 0 and determinant is 1. Lambda square plus trace plus determinant. Here 0 into lambda. First of all this is a B, A, C. B is equal to 0, A is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. If B square minus 4AC is less than 0, then all roots are imaginary. Option D is the correct here. Next question. The eigenvalue of the matrix. Here 1, 1, 1. First of all check here trace. Trace here given are 3 and determinant is given -3. Now check in option A, B, D. Here option A, this is correct, but here determinant is equal to 1. Here given -3. This is discarded. This is also discarded. This is here given imaginary. This is also discarded. Option A is correct. C is correct here. 1 into 3 into -1, that is the determinant is equal to product of eigenvalue. That means -3 is correct, and the trace is equal to sum of eigenvalue. Here eigenvalue is the sum of eigenvalue is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 3. That means 3. This is satisfied. Let M be a square matrix with real positive entries such that each column adds up to 1. Then which of the following statement is not true? That means which of the following is false. Here given in option A, an eigenvalue of M is 1. The sum of entries of an eigenvector corresponding to an eigenvalue lambda is not equal to 1 is 0. There is no eigenvalue lambda is not equal to 1 such that determinant of lambda is greater than or equal to 0. The sum of the entries of an eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue 1 is 0. Here option D is incorrect. A, B, C are corrected here. Next question. F from R2 to R cube is defined as here a function is given and find its derivative at f of 0.00. Here given a 2 cross 3, that is converted into 3 cross 2. We get 3 cross 2. 3 cross 2 means A and option D. Option A and option D are discarded here. And here given a U square minus 5v. This is f1. V e raised to 2u. This is f2. And this is the last one is f3. Find its derivative. Here u square is given. Dou f1 upon dou u. Dou f1 upon dou v find its derivative. Here we get 2u for f1 and -5 for f1, and you can check for f2 and f3. Last one we get for dou f3 upon dou u is equal to 2. Now check option which one is correct here. At point 0 0, here put u is equal to 0. This is we finally converted into 0 and -5, and second column, second row is given, and third one is 2. Check this is which one is correct. Here option C is correct here. Next question, let f from R2 to R cube. Here also same question. 2 cross 3 is converted into 3 cross 2. Now discard other two option. Here both are discarded, and you can try to solve. Here option B is correct here. Next question, let M be a real symmetric positive definite n cross n matrix. Then which of the following statement is false? Other three statements are correct here. M be a real symmetric positive definite n cross n matrix. Here A, B, C are correct, but option D is not correct. There is an invertible matrix P such that this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. So option D is correct here. Find the matrix of the linear transformation d by dt. And B1 is given, B2 is given, B3 is given. Here option B is correct. First of all, find here derivative from R2 to R2. The derivative map with respect to basis. Here basis is given. R2 is a space of real polynomial of degree less than or equal to 2. Here option B is correct. Next question, let A be n cross n real matrix. Then determinant of A into A. First of all, use the discarding method here. Here put n is equal to 2. If I take one example, 1 0 1 2 equal to 2, and multiply 2 into determinant of A, that means 2 0 2 4. Finally you get 8. That means this is a determinant. 2 is value for a determinant A, and finally we get 8. That means 2 raised to 3 equal to 8. That means 2 raised to n plus 1. So option D is correct here. Next question, if A is equal to 2 cross 3 matrix is given, then find A into A transpose is a symmetric. A is the 2 cross 3 matrix and A transpose is a 3 cross 2 matrix. A into A transpose is equal to 3 into 3 cross 3 matrix. Finally we get, so this is a symmetric matrix. The following system of equation X, here 3 equation is given, and find its solution. First of all, find its determinant for these value 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 4 5. If determinant is not equal to 0, then it has a unique solution. If determinant equal to 0, then it has a no solution or infinitely many solution. Here not equal to 0 we get, so option A is correct. Next question, this is the direct result. If A is the orthogonal matrix, then determinant of A is equal to plus or minus 1. This is the direct statement. Next question, minimal polynomial of the matrix. Here minimal polynomial of matrix A is, how to find? First of all, here find eigenvalue. Here lambda is equal to 1. This is one eigenvalue, and now check for find its lambda. Here trace is equal to 3, and product is equal to 2. Here lambda is equal to 1. lambda 3 is equal to 2. Finally we get 1 1 2. And now check minimal polynomial. First of all, start with the lambda is equal to lambda minus 1 and lambda minus 2. If it is equal to 0, then this is a minimal polynomial. If this is not equal to 0, next find 1 minus lambda square into lambda minus 2. Here option C is correct because lambda minus 1 into, or we can check a minus 1 into a minus 2, finally we get equal to 0. So option C is correct here. Next question, if A is a 3 cross 3 real matrix such that A cube equal to 0 and A square is a non-zero, then the Jordan canonical form of A. First of all, find A cube equal to 0. Here all eigenvalue are a 0 for A cube equal to 0 and A square is a non-zero. If I take option A is correct here and put value, find its A cube. This is A cube equal to 0 we get, and A square is not equal to 0 we get. So option A is correct here. You can choose the discarding method also. You can choose B, C, D. Here all are discarded. Next question, if a real matrix A has a characteristic polynomial x minus 2 square into x minus 1 into x minus 3 and minimal polynomial is given x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 3, then which of the following statement is not a true? Here given a not a true. This is a minimal characteristic polynomial and this is a minimal polynomial. If what is the lambda here? Here 2, 2, 2, 1, 3. Here 4 eigenvalue, and first of all find here trace. Trace is equal to 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Yet this is correct. Determinant also product of eigenvalue. This is also correct. This is not diagonalizable over R. Here AM is equal to 2 and GM is equal to 2. How to find GM is equal to 2? Nullity of AM minus lambda I. Finally we get 2 and AM is equal to GM. Then it is a diagonalizable. Here all eigenvalue are real, so it is a diagonalizable over real number. If the characteristic polynomial of matrix A is x minus 1 square, x minus 2 square and minimal polynomial is x minus 1 square into x minus 2, find its Jordan canonical form of A. What is first of all check here x minus 1 square. This is a minimal polynomial, and x minus 2, this is a minimal polynomial. In option A, here x minus 1 is given. This is discarded. In option B, here x minus 2 square is given. This is also discarded because x minus 2 is here given and x minus 1 square is given here. In option C, here also x minus 1 is given. X minus 1. Here x minus 1 is given. And in option D, here given x minus 1 square and x minus 2. This is correct here. Option D is correct. Next question. Let S is equal to x1, x2, x3 belongs to R cube such that x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 0, and T is given x1 plus x2 plus x3 belongs to R cube such that x1 into x2 plus x cube is equal to 0. Here is one result. N into n minus number of linearly independent vector. Dimension is equal to, and here S is equal to, here given x1, x2, x3, 3 minus 1, and linearly independent equation is 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. In option B, S is a vector space of dimension 2. This is correct. T is not a vector space. Here a product is given. This is not a vector space. You can check. This is not a vector space because condition is not satisfied here. A of A f of x plus c, you can check which one is the correct here. Here S is a vector space of dimension 2 and T is not a vector space. Recall definition of vector space. If T from R cube to R2 be defined as, here given 3 cross 2, every 3 cross 2 converted into 2 cross 3 and use the discard method here 2 cross 3. Here A and D are discarded, only B and C are left here. And now check. Then the matrix representation of T with respect to standard basis is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and put value, finally we get minus 1 0 1 0 2 1 minus 1. So option B is the correct here. Next question, let T from R4 to R4 have a characteristic polynomial x minus 5 cube into x minus 6. If T is diagonalizable, then find which one is the correct here. Here characteristic polynomial is given and if AM is equal to GM, then it is a diagonalizable. Here given a diagonalizable, AM is equal to GM here, and how to find the GM is equal to nullity of T minus 5i. Here lambda is equal to 5, so option B is the correct here. Dimension of kernel of T minus 5i is equal to 3 because here AM is equal to 3 and here GM also we get 3, so then it is a diagonalizable. Next question, let U and V be a vectors in an inner product space such that U plus V is equal to 8, U minus V is equal to 6 and U is equal to 7 and V is equal to find its V. And here given this is a formula to find V and apply, put this value here 8 square plus 6 square equal to 2 into 7 square plus 2 into V square, finally get 1. Let T1 and T2 be a linear operator on a finite dimensional vector space V over a field F. Suppose T1 and T2 are similar, then which of the following statement is the correct here. Here given a T1 square and T2 square are similar, this is correct. T1 inverse and T2 inverse are similar if inverse exist, this is correct. T1 T2 and T2 T1 are similar given that at least one of T1 and T2 is invertible, this is also correct. T1 plus T2 and T1 minus T2 are similar, this is incorrect. A, B, C are correct here, so option D is correct. Next question, for a matrix A, the characteristic polynomial x minus 2 raised to 4 and x minus 3 square and minimal polynomial is given x minus 2 square lambda minus 3 square, then find its JCF. Here minimal polynomial is given 2 for lambda is equal to 2 and 3. 2 we get, and here highest is 4 and 2. Now check in option A. Here for 2, here 1 is given lambda minus 2, so this is discarded. Here in option B, here minus 1 is given and this is 2, this is discarded because minus 1 is, and in option D this is also discarded because here minimal polynomial is not given, so this is discarded. Here in option C, here given lambda minus 2 square and lambda minus 3 square, so option C is correct here. Suppose lambda is an eigenvalue of non-singular square matrix A, then this is the direct result. Lambda is an eigenvalue of determinant of A upon lambda is an eigenvalue of adjoint of A. Next question, consider the vector space R cube and its a subset P is equal to T into 1 0 2, T belongs to R and Q is given 1 1 1. Then which one is correct? Here 111 is given, and in plus t into 102 is given. P plus Q, that is the 213 we get. Now check in option. Here option D is the correct. P plus Q is the line passing through the point 213 and parallel to line P. Option D is the correct here. Next question. The dimension of the vector space M is equal to Aij M cross N matrix is given. Aij belongs to C complex number over the field real. That means C over R is equal to 2. Here given M cross N. That means finally we get 2M into N. Option B is the correct. Let the linear transformation T from R cube to R cube be given by reflection. Reflection with respect to origin. Reflection means if identity matrix is 1, 1, 1 is given, then it is reflected to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then the matrix of T with respect to standard basis. Here option C is the correct here. Minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, and 0, 0, minus 1. Next question is given. Which of the following matrices is not diagonalizable? If distinct eigenvalue over field, then it is a diagonalizable over field. Here given a not a diagonalizable, and here is also one result. AM is equal to GM, then it is a diagonalizable. For option A, here a distinct eigenvalue minus 1, 3, 5. Here a distinct eigenvalue, then it is a diagonalizable. This is discarded. Here also 2, 5, 3 are a distinct eigenvalue. This is discarded. 1, 2, 3. This is also distinct eigenvalue. This is also discarded. Here only option B is correct. Here AM is equal to GM. AM is not equal to GM here in option B. Next question. The number of similarity classes of 6 cross 6 matrices over C with minimal polynomial x minus 1 into x minus 2 square and characteristic polynomial x minus 1 square into x minus 2 raised to 4. Here 6 cross 6 matrix is given and characteristic polynomial. Here minimal polynomial is given and characteristic polynomial is also given. This is a characteristic polynomial and this is a minimal polynomial. How to find the number of similarity classes? First of all, check here partition of characteristic polynomial minus minimal polynomial, and which one is value you get, that's partition is the number of similarity classes. In characteristic polynomial, for lambda is equal to 2, here given a 2, and for minimal polynomial here 1, that means 2 minus 1 equal to 1. What is the partition of 1? Partition of 1 equal to 1. So this is the 1 right here. And now check for lambda is equal to 2. Here given a lambda raised to 4. 4 minus, here given a 2. 2, 4 minus 2 equal to 2. What is the partition of 2? 2. What is the partition of 2? 2. And 2 into, first of all find we get 1. 2 into 1, finally we get 2. So option B is the correct here. Which of the following quadratic form is a positive definite? Here is one result. If positive definite, then all its minor, that means 1 cross 1 and 2 cross 2 and determinant is greater than 0, then it is a positive definite. We can check here for option A. This is converted into matrix form and find its minor. This is last one is 0, so this is not a positive definite. And here also this is less than 0, this is also not a positive definite. In option D, this is also minus 1 is less than 0, this is also not a positive definite. Here only option C is correct. 1 is greater than 0, 1 is greater than 0, and 3 by 4 is greater than 0. Option C is correct here. Next question, let the linear transformation t from r cube to r4 be such that here t of 100 is equal to 1204. Here 3 condition is given and option is given. First of all, here given a condition at 100 is equal to we get 1204. We can check in option. If I take option B is correct here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0, put here in this value and finally get 1204, then it is option B is correct. You can check also for 0 1 0, finally you get 20 minus 1 3 in option B, and here also option B is correct here because all conditions are satisfied here. The dimension of the vector space sigma square is equal to xy such that xy are complex numbers over the field of real C over R, then it is a 2. Option B is correct here. Next question, let C over R be a vector space of all continuous real function over R, then which of the following sets is linearly independent in C over R? Let us suppose if I take option B is correct here. First of all, let us suppose 1 is equal to f1 and e raised to x is equal to f2 and f3 is equal to e raised to 2x. f1, f2, f3 and find its derivative and also find its double derivative. If determinant is not equal to 0, then it is linearly independent. Option B is correct here. Next question, which of the following is the subspace of a vector space C over AB? That means subspace. Here 1 is given, this is not a satisfied vector space subspace condition. You can check which one is what is the subspace condition, and here greater than 0, this is also not satisfied, and here 1 is given, this is also discarded. Finally you get option D is correct here. Let V be the set of all n cross n skew symmetric matrices over R, then V is the real vector space of dimension. Here given over R and real vector space over R, that means 1. Here given a symmetric matrices. What is how to find symmetric matrices? N into n minus, here is for symmetric matrices n into n plus 1, for this is 1, and here given a skew symmetric matrices. So option A is the correct here, n into n minus 1 upon 2. Next question, which of the following polynomial is a characteristic polynomial of a matrix that is not invertible? Not invertible. What is invertible? If 0 is not an eigenvalue, then it is an invertible matrix. If 0 is not an eigenvalue, then it is a invertible. Here given not invertible, that means 0 is an eigenvalue. 0 is an eigenvalue, then implies it is a determinant is equal to 0. If determinant is equal to 0, by formula x cube plus x, here last one is given here, product of eigenvalue. You can check in option A, C, D. Here product is given, here 5 is given, here 1 into 2 into 2, that means minus 4 is given, and here also 1 is given. In option B is the last one is not given, here 0 is an eigenvalue because product is a 0. So option B is correct here. Let Pn of x be the vector space of all polynomial of degree at most n with real coefficients, then its dimension. If n degrees polynomial, what is its dimension? N plus 1. If n is given, n plus 1. Next question, which of the following statement is false? Here given which of the following statement is false? Here A is correct, B is correct, and C is also correct, D is not correct here. The class of all polynomial with real coefficients is the real vector space. This is incorrect. Let U and V be a vector space of dimension m and n respectively, then dimension of the space whom v into u. This is for your homework. Which one is the correct here? Write in comment box which one is the correct. The derivative of the function f from r2 to r2 given by function is given f of xy is equal to x plus y sin x and y plus x cos x at point 0 0. Find its derivative at point 0 0 is the linear transformation whose matrix with respect to standard basis. First of all, let us suppose this is a u and this is a v, and find its derivative with respect to x, ux, uy, vx, vy, and put value, find its derivative and put value 0 0. Finally get 1 sin x, 1. Here 1 and last one is 1, so option C is the correct here. Next question, let f from r cube to r cube be defined by f of xyz is equal to, where the basis of domain is the usual basis and that of the codomain is given, then the matrix of f relative to these bases. Here first of all, use a shortcut method here. If I take option C is the correct here, 1 0 1, this is a condition satisfied for 1 0 1, and here given first of all put value 1 1 1, finally we get 2 1 1, and if we take 1 1 0 1 minus 1 0 we get, and 1 0 0, finally we get minus 1 0 1, and here only option C is satisfied, so option C is correct here. Here is also given 0 minus 1 2, that means 0 minus 1 2, and 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is the option C is only satisfied here. Let A and B be non-empty subset of a vector space V. Suppose that A is a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Here is a one result. If B is a linearly independent, then A is a linearly independent. If smaller is a linearly dependent, then larger is also linearly dependent. That means B is a linearly independent, then so is A. Option A is correct here. Let be the linear transformation defined t of xy is equal to x plus y, then the matrix of t with respect to standard basis. Here put value standard basis. What is the standard basis? 1 0 0 1. Put value here and finally get 1 0 1 1. So option C is correct. Let A be M cross N real matrix, then the space of solution of the linear system X is equal to 0 has a dimension. This is for your homework. Write in comment box. Next question, let A be an n cross n matrix over R such that the rows of A form an orthonormal basis of Rn, then the column of A form an orthonormal basis of Rn. Option D is correct here. Let A and B be similar matrices. If similar matrices all are same except eigenvector, here rank of A is equal to rank of B, but nullity of A it need not be, so discarded. Here nullity of A need not be nullity of B, this is a discarded. Here rank of A need not be rank of B, this is a discarded. Option B is correct. Let X and Y be a similar matrices, then which of the following is the not true? Here given a not true. X and Y have a same eigenvalue, this is the true. characteristic polynomial also same and nullity also same, but eigenvector is not a same. Option D is correct. The characteristic equation of a matrix here given. Here trace is equal to 2 and determinant is equal to 1 and lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3 plus lambda 3 into lambda 1 is given here minus 1. Here is the one result, lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 square plus lambda 3 square is equal to, this is a formula. First of all put a trace square minus 2 into adjoint. That means here trace is equal to 2 square into minus 2 into minus 1, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Option C is correct. Let V1 to Vr be given eigenvectors corresponding to eigenvalue C1 to Cr respectively of a linear transformation. Here option D is correct. The vector V1 to Vr are linearly independent depend only if C1 to Cr are distinct. This is for your homework. Let W be a subspace of equivalent space E. Then find its which one is correct and write in comment box. Next question, which of the following matrices is diagonalizable? What is the diagonalizable? AM is equal to GM, then it is diagonalizable. If all distinct eigenvalue, then it is diagonalizable. In option A, 5, 8, 10, because this is the triangular matrix product of eigenvalue. That means 5, 8, 10 are eigenvalue. So this is the diagonalizable because distinct eigenvalue here. Option A is correct. Option A is correct here. Let A be a Hermitian matrix, then determinant of A is a real number. This is the direct result. Next question, let A be a linear transformation from Rn to Rn. If x bar belongs to Rn, then the derivative of A at x bar is given by. Here option A is correct. All option are discarded. Option A is correct here. Zero transformation. Next question, the matrix of a linear mapping f from R2 to R cube given by f of xy is equal to 2x y x minus y. Here given a 2 cross 3 matrix that is converted into 3 cross 2. Here discard other two option here. Here B and C discarded and put a standard basis 2x y 2 0 0 1 1 minus 1 we get. So option A is correct here. Next question, which of the following subspace of R are not homeomorphic? Interval are homeomorphic, but here given not homomorphic. Here given infinity, this is not homomorphic. Other option are all are homomorphic. Next question, let S is equal to U1 to EP be a linearly independent subset of a vector space V, U1 to E cube. Then which one is correct? This is for your homework. Next question, if T from R cube to R cube is the identity map, then nullity of T. What is the rank nullity theorem? Rank plus nullity is equal to dimension of V. Here dimension of domain. Here dimension of domain is equal to given 3 and identity map. That means identity map. And what is the rank? It's for identity map. Here rank of A is equal to 3. And from rank nullity theorem, nullity plus rank equal to 0. Here nullity finally you get 0. Option A is correct here. Next question, the dimension of the space of diagonal n cross n matrices is space of diagonal. Here given a space of diagonal, that is a n. Option A is correct. Let A1 to An be a column vector of a size m. Assume that they have a coefficient in R and they are linearly independent over R. Then they form a basis for R. Option C is correct here. Next question, in which of Which of the alternatives a subset W of a vector space R cube over R is not a subspace, Here option A is a subspace, also B and also D, but option C is here given a less than or strictly less than 1. So this is not a satisfied for a subspace condition. So option C is correct here. Let D denote the vectors. Let D denote the derivative which we view as a linear map on the space of differential function, and K be a non-zero integer. Then the eigenvector of D square are this is for your homework, and write in comment box answer key. Next question, let T from R cube over R to R2 over R is defined by T of x1, x2, x3 equal to x1, x2. Then which of the following alternatives is not true for T? Here 3 cross 2 matrix is given, that is converted into 2 cross 3, and range of T is equal to minimum of 2 and 3, that means 2, this is correct, and kernel of T is equal to 3, here domain is equal to 3, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, this is also correct, and T is a linear transformation, this is a linear transformation satisfied, this is also correct, but here given a not a correct true, and option B is a not a correct. Next question, let V be a finite dimensional space over C, and let T from V to V be a linear map. Assume that all the eigenvalue of T are 0, then all the eigenvalue of T are 0. All are eigenvalue of A is equal to 0, then T is not nilpotent. This is not true. Diagonalizable. This is also not true because it may have a upper triangular or lower triangular. This is not a diagonalizable. There is an integer R is greater than 1 such that T raised to R equal to 0. This is correct. T is a 0 map. This is incorrect. Next question, let dimension of V is greater than dimension of W, and let T from V to W be a linear map. Then which one is correct? Here kernel of T is a non-zero. This is option C is correct. Next question, the dimension of the subspace of K raised to n consisting of those vector a1 to an such that here a1 plus a2 plus an, that means equal to 0. Here trace equal to 0 and condition n is given, n minus 1, that means n minus number of linearly independent vector. Here number of linearly independent vector is 1, so n minus 1, option B is correct. Next question, let A belongs to K and alpha is non-zero. A is non-zero for the matrix 1A 0 1. If K is equal to R, then the characteristic polynomial and minimal polynomial are same. Option C is correct. Let V over F be a vector space. Consider the following statement. Here statement 1 and statement 2 are given. If alpha, beta, gamma are linearly independent vector in V over F, then alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, gamma plus alpha are also linearly independent. First of all, put alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 1, and find its determinant. If determinant is not equal to 0, then it is linearly independent. Here only option A is correct. The set of vectors A is a subset of V of F which contains the 0 vector is always linearly independent. 0 vector is always linearly dependent. This is discarded here. Option C is correct. Next question, which of the following function T from R2 to R2 is not a linear transformation? Not a linear transformation. Here option A is correct, B is also correct, option C is also correct, C is not correct because here 1 is given. This is not a satisfied condition of linear transformation. Here option D is also correct, option C is not correct. Let V be a vector space over a field F and T from V to V be a linear transformation such that T has a 0 as a characteristic root. Then T is a nilpotent. If 0 is an eigenvalue, then it is a nilpotent. Invertible, this is not invertible. Multiplicity of each characteristic root of t is 1. This is also not true, and this is also not true. Next question, let f from u to v be a linear map and u1 to un be a set of linearly independent vectors in u. Then the set f of u1 up to f of un is a linearly independent if and only if f is a 1 1. This is also for your homework. Next question, let A is equal to matrix is given 3 cross 4 matrix be a matrix of a transformation. Then the rank of A is equal to, here first of all find determinant. If determinant here for a 3 cross 3 matrix, and if 3 cross 3 matrix is non-zero, then it is a option B is a correct. Next question, consider the following two statement. If A is a triangular matrix, then no entries on the main diagonal is a 0, then A is a singular. This is a non-singular, here given singular, this is a discarded. Here A is a triangular matrix and an entry on the main diagonal is a 0, then it is invertible. This is not invertible here answer, but here given invertible, this is also discarded. Next question, if the transformation T from Rn to R is a defined T of x is equal to x transpose Ax, here A is a n cross n symmetric matrix, then T of x plus y is equal to, here option A is a correct, x plus y, and put here x is equal to x plus y, finally we get option A is a correct. Next question, let A is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix be a matrix, then the corresponding quadratic form. What is the quadratic form? Here x square plus y square plus 2xy. So option D is the correct here. Next question, let T be a linear transformation on R2 represented by the matrix. Here trace is a 0 and determinant equal to 1. Then the find its eigenvalue. If b square minus 4ac, this is a less than 0, then it is a all eigenvalue are imaginary. Here D is a correct. Next question, let PQR belongs to Z. If the vectors PQR, QRP, RPQ are mutually orthogonal in Euclidean space R cube, then option D is correct. PQ plus QR plus R cube equal to 0. Next question, let alpha 1 is equal to 1 2, alpha 2 is equal to 3 4, and beta 1 is equal to 3 2 1, beta 2 is equal to 6 5 4. Let T be a linear transformation from R2 to into R cube. Here option C is satisfied. This condition, here only option C is corrected. Consider the following two statement. A is a nilpotent matrix, then I plus A is a non-singular. This is correct. And A is a triangular matrix with all diagonal elements are a 0, then it is a nilpotent. This is also true. Next question, the dimension of space of n cross n matrices of all whose components are 0 except possibly the diagonal components is a D. Option N is correct. Let W be a subspace of vector space V and T from W to V dash be a linear map, then T can be extended to a linear transformation from V to V dash. Next question, let S T belongs to L of V1, V2, V1, V2 are a finite dimensional vector space, then option C is correct here. Let A be a matrix similar to square matrix B, then which of the following is the false? A is self-adjoint, then so is B. This is not a correct. All are correct here. Next question, let V and W be a eigenvector of T corresponding to distinct eigenvalue lambda 1 and lambda 2 respectively. then all the scalars alpha 1 alpha 2, the vectors alpha 1 v plus alpha 2 w is not an eigenvector of t. Option B is correct. Next question, let S and T be a two diagonalizable linear operator that are similar. S and T have a same characteristic polynomial. This is correct. Let W be a subspace of a finite dimensional vector space V. Then this is for your homework. Next question, let N be a nilpotent matrix. I minus N is a invertible. Next question, let D be the derivative t by dt f of t is equal to 3 sin t plus 5 cos t. The coordinates of d of f of t with respect to basis sin t cos t. Here option D is correct. You can check correct or not. This is for your homework. Let T be a linear operator on a finite dimensional vector space V and W be a subspace of V. Then option C is correct here. Let V be a inner product space over F and U V belongs to V. Then which of the following statement is false? Here option A, B, C are correct. Option D is not correct. So option D is correct here. If you have any doubt related to answer, you can comment below. Give me feedback of this video, and for more videos subscribe channel, like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.